Hello everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another drink video for you all. So today's drink, I'm going to be making a Rum Chata Peppermint Bark Martini. So I'm going to be using the Peppermint Twist Smirnoff vodka, Rum Chata, and then the Creme de Cacao. I think I'm saying it right. I might not be. So first what I'm going to do is rim my glass with some milk chocolate and peppermints. So I just have a little melted milk chocolate here and some crushed up peppermints. And this is what it will look like. And so I have my shaker. I have some ice in here. One. I'm gonna do 3 shots of the Rum Chata. 2, 3. And the Rum Chatas do come in a bigger bottle, but I'm just doing 1 drink just for a demonstration, so I just got the small ones. And then I'm gonna do a shot of the Peppermint Twist Smirnoff. You can add more than 1 shot if you would like. And then I'm gonna add a shot of the Creme de Cacao. Go ahead and shake that up. You want it to be nice and cold because I'm not gonna put any ice in the glass. Go ahead and pour that in. And then I'm gonna garnish it with a peppermint stick. Just gonna put that in. Then I'm gonna sprinkle some chopped up milk chocolate pieces on top. And there you have it. My Rum Chata Peppermint Bark Martini. So I hope you all enjoyed this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Bye-bye.